Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. In previous session, we had discussed layers of atmosphere. Atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Today, we will see composition of air. The air we breathe contains various gases. Clean air consists of 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and less than 1% of argon, carbon dioxide, and other gases and dust particle. Only 1%. Through this figure, it will be clear to you. 78% nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and other gases 1%. Figure 12.3 of your textbook. It also contains water vapor, dust, and smoke. The percentage of the dust, smoke, and water vapor in the air may vary according to the environment. Suppose, for example, the air over industrial cities usually has a higher amount of carbon dioxide, and the air in the coastal areas may have more water vapor than on that land areas. So according to that environment, the percentage of dust particles, smoke, and the water vapor varies or it changes from place to place. First, we will see oxygen. Oxygen, is very essential for breathing or for the respiration. We can live for several days without food and water, but we will die very quickly without oxygen. So, the oxygen present in the air is most important for the living organism or for the survival of the living beings. Oxygen is necessary for the process of burning of fuels such as wood, coal, kerosene, etc. Oxygen gas does not burn itself, but it allows other things to burn it. So oxygen is the supporter of the burning, as we had seen through that activity 1, that candle gets extinguished. Whatever oxygen present in the air was there in that inverted glass jar. That oxygen is used by that candle and afterwards it will get extinguished. So oxygen is the supporter of burning process. Thus oxygen supports life and the combustion both. Second composition of air is the nitrogen. Living beings do not use nitrogen directly, but nitrogen gas is very important. Plants get this nitrogen with the help of bacteria in the soil. Nitrogen gas present in the air is also important for the living things. The plants use nitrogen gas of the air to make proteins. It is added to the soil by using chemical fertilizers. In the chemical fertilizers, nitrogen is mixed, so it is added to the soil by using chemical fertilizers. And animals get nitrogen from plants, meat and fish. Whatever plants products they are eating, from that they are getting the nitrogen. So in this way, living beings do not use nitrogen directly, but they are eating the plant products, and in the plants, nitrogen is added to the soil by using the chemical fertilizer. So nitrogen is needed by human beings also. Next composition of the air is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an important gas for plants. Green plants need carbon dioxide gas to make food. Water and sunlight is also needed for making the food. You know, air contains only 1% of other gases, and in that 1% of other gases, in that carbon dioxide is also coming. So it is only 0.03% of carbon dioxide gas is present, though the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is comparatively small, but it is very important component of the air. Green plants, as I told you, need carbon dioxide gas to make food. In sunlight, green plants use carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make food by the process of photosynthesis. So all the food which animals, including the human beings, eat is made from carbon dioxide gas of the air. Without carbon dioxide in the air, there would be no plants or animals on the earth. So in this way, carbon dioxide is important gas for plants also. Other gases, in other gases, traces of other gases, means very small, very small amount, only traces of gases such as hydrogen, ozone, helium, neon, argon and krypton are present in the air. And you know, argon gas is also used to produce colorful glow in the glass tubes. Whatever glass tubes you are making, in that if you want to give colorful glow if you want, then it is used, in that argon gas is used. You must have seen glowing and colorful neon electric lights. In that some functions, that whatever colorful and that glowing lights you are seeing, it is made up of neon gas. So only traces of other gases are present in this way. Water vapor. Air also contains water vapor. Water vapor causes changes in the weather. Water vapor is formed because of the evaporation of water from the surface of the water bodies like seas, rivers and lakes. When that water which is present in that lake, sea and the oceans, it get evaporated, then water vapor is formed. Water vapor in the air can cause changes in the weather. It condenses, this water vapor condenses, means it freezes to form the clouds, rain, fog and the snow. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So what is humidity? Amount of water vapor which is present in the air is called the humidity. When there is more water vapor in that environment, in that atmosphere, if water vapor is more, we say that the air is humid. हम बोलते कि आज बहुत भेज है. And when air is dry, we say it has low humidity. So humidity means amount of water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. When the air is dry, we say it has low humidity. Again, water vapor comes into the air from the evaporation of water present on the earth. Means whatever water is present in that ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans, it comes from that water bodies. The presence of water vapor in the air is important for the working of water cycle in the nature, because it is water vapor present in the air which rises high in the sky along with hot air, gets cooled, condenses to form clouds, and then brings rain on the earth. High humidity makes us feel uncomfortable as our sweat does not evaporate easily. So if the humidity is high, if the amount of water vapor present in the air is high, then we feel uncomfortable, we feel uneasiness as our sweat does not dry up or does not evaporate easily. Dust particles are always present in the air. The presence of the dust particles come into air from number of sources: blowing wind, traffic on the roads, dusting at home. So these are the some activities through which dust particles enter into play into atmosphere, and the dust particles in the air, it varies from time to time and also from place to place.